Of Uganda Family TV News at 8.
Agamu he said Augustine Ichako what a logo a parent Piocha del Remo me Uganda a temo man Nyingo ba pap the word Shinyaleng. Potino ba tushu amewuli binu wunu atwale wilu tushu yotenenno yotenya yeni o Uganda ilao gilka werni pilo bana wori yore ni konko bana wori ni konko irani konko.
As Diocese of Lango, our people are prepared. In terms of the food pilgrims, we have been able to mobilize about 267 food pilgrims that are going to march and then join the team from West Lango Diocese, and then they will pass through the Masindi Port, and then they will join other team that will come from Northern Uganda Diocese, Kigum, Nebi, and then Madi West Nile. We know this is the time that the Christians demonstrate their faith, because during their journey, they have time to pray to God. They pray to God for themselves, they pray to God for the dioceses where they are coming from. And secondly, we also move as evangelists. As they move on, they continually preach the gospel. And we have always heard testimonies that there are people also who get saved on the way as these food pilgrims, they move to Namugongo. We also expect a minimum of 10 buses. When I talk of 13 buses, that is in terms of the archdeaconries that we have in the diocese, because each archdeacon is committed to mobilize at least a bus for their team that are going to go. So this time, the number of people who are going to go to Namugongo, in terms of the food pilgrims and those ones going to use the buses, they're going to be massive, which means we call upon the government to provide security for them.
I want them to come and join us, because if you want to heal, you come and join us, because these are the things a missionary which have been moving for covering everything in this world. That's the things we have been.